Welcome back to Old War Stories with Uncle Jay. Here we are in October, early 6th, something like that, I think it is. And it's still nice enough out that I can sit out here. Obviously, we don't have the drone of the pool pumps going, but that's just how it is. Anyway, this one is entitled The Squeaky Door. So this harks back to not that long ago. Let's say 2016. Went over to Doo's house. Now everything in that house, as I had shown in a video at one point, is just there, just kind of held on. Maybe it'll keep working, probably not. And that was it. For whatever reason, Doo insists upon using the back door. Not the front. Nope, not the front. Just the back. Now, in her case, in this particular location, it made sense to a degree because the backyard had the driveway in it. It was a corner house, and the driveway went in kind of into the backyard like that. So the back door was right there. No sense walking all the way around to the front door, which, by the way, that street was a dead end at the end there. So it kind of made sense. But the problem was the back door from a house built in 1926, about this big. So you almost had to walk through it sideways. You know, it was tight. And I couldn't imagine living there for almost 40 years, carrying groceries in through that tiny door. And there was a lot more to the story as well, because the way that was constructed, I think it was an add-on to the house at one point. They kind of built this little back porch area, and this screen door, oh Jesus, and the railing. The railing was like iron pipe, or galvanized pipe rather, and that was screwed on with a flange to the house. It had a coupler on it, and it just went down with a 45 down to the ground, and that was the whole deal for the railing. It was painted black, and that was it. It was just, I had these things laying around. I think it was there when they bought the house back in the day. And the screen door, oh my God, the screen door. The closer on that thing didn't work. So you could open the door and it would basically just go wham and just slam on you. So you got heavy stuff that you're trying to bring in, it slams and hits you from behind, wants you to knock you forward, you know, so you fall down. That door was such a pain in the ass. The closer, what do they go for? Fucking $13.99 at Depot? Nope. And then the latch for the fucking thing didn't even, the strike plate, it was like this far apart. It was just totally fucked. So then there was a little like deadbolt thing on it, and that's what kept the door closed, because otherwise the little handle thing with the button you push, nothing, didn't do shit because it wouldn't latch to anything, and that was that. So that was really nice. And then we get into the back porch area and the squeaky door. The squeaky door was the back door of the house. Now this was put in 2006, 7. So here we are just shy of 10 years later. And this has been going on for a long time. We've all heard squeaky doors before. You have not heard a door like this. I can't even try to explain what this sounded like. It wasn't a very high-pitched sound. It was just your squeak. Really bad. And really loud. for whatever reason, whatever holiday this was or something, people were coming in and out. Squeak, 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 squeak. It was so fucking annoying. So I said to Patty's brother, I said, hey, you got some 3-in-1 oil or some WD-40 or something? And I said this loud enough that Doo-Doo overheard this. Oh, what do you need that for? Your fucking door is squeaking so bad it's gonna fall off the fucking hinges. Did you notice? Oh, I like that. Because if somebody comes in, the doggy hears it and he barks. He's my watchdog. Well, first of all, this squeak can be heard clear down the fucking block. And number two, if you need an announcement when that door is opened, they have little millennial alarms that you could put on the door. I understand this one is always armed and there's no siren to scare anybody away and forget to turn off. I get that, but the squeak was so bad that this door was going to fall off the fucking hinges, and I was ready to help out, be a good J, and oil it, and then the door won't be fucking stiff to open like an old man. It would open and fucking hit the stop on it and bounce back and slam the door in your own face, you know? That's how nice it'll work. If you never did that at your house, even if you have a door that is operating just fine, like your bathroom door, because we all have to go to the bathroom, we all use the door. If it doesn't squeak, oil it anyway. And you're going to be like, whoa, that just opened up. And you go to close it and it's wham! It'll really brighten things up. And while you're at it, oil the latch and the knob and the strike plate. Give that a nice coat of oil also. You'll be amazed how much nicer life can be. I did that once and I was like, wow, it was that bad? It didn't even feel bad. It just felt like any other bathroom door you've ever dealt with. Made a world of difference. But nope, had to leave the squeaky door, and that stayed there until she sold the place. And yep, sold the place with the squeaky door. Just going to be the next homeowner's problem. Anyway, that's the story of the squeaky door. Fucking thing annoyed me for several more years until she just decided that Jay's a piece of shit. For no reason, just like she did to everybody else in her life, and now she lives alone in Connecticut and has no friends. Isn't that nice? Yeah, I guess that's what happens. They've always said that when you grow old, and I'm talking retirement age, mid-60s, 70s, somewhere in that area, whether you're a man or a woman doesn't make a difference, or I don't know what you people who think you're somewhere in between that shit, however that's going to work, but they say you're either going to be the sweetest old lady, the sweetest old man, or the most nastiest person that you can imagine. And it's like a switch. It just flips and you get that way. And yep, she chose the latter instead of the former. So there she is, that curmudgeonly fucking bitch with no friends, piece of shit, and, you know, maybe she'll die soon. I don't know what else to tell you. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.